remember COVID days when we have being introduced with MS Teams, right? Everyone have to put in the cameras, and it's not something that they're so used to, right? MS Teams is the new learning. You know, all of us learned Zoom almost overnight, right? And now you look at it, right? Zoom, MS Teams, that becomes our daily tools for us to do communications, right? I guess change management is important, right? And really on that kind of transitions, how we can have that purpose. Change management, once that is being managed, I think the rest is being, it's just a matter of time we can reach to our objectives, right? Other folks, if I would say challenges will be like cleaning up data, good for your migrations, and perhaps also understanding and managing your expectations of your management.